What is model-based systems engineering? Explain without the buzzwords. Model-based systems engineering is one of the most misunderstood ideas in engineering. Some people think it's just diagrams, others think it's just a new software tool. And some teams try it and abandon it completely. In this video, I explain what model-based systems engineering actually is, what it is not, and when it makes sense to use it without buzzwords, tools, hype. If you're new to model-based systems engineering or unsure where it fits, this video will give you clarity. Why documents fail. Let's start with the problem model-based systems engineering was created to solve. Traditional systems engineering relies heavily on documents. Documents are static. Systems are not. As systems evolve, documents struggle to stay consistent. Requirements drift. Interfaces get misunderstood. Assumptions stay hidden. Updates don't propagate. The bigger the system, the harder it becomes to keep everything aligned using documents alone. Model-based systems engineering exists because complex systems outgrew document-based engineering. What model-based system engineering actually is. Model-based system engineering is an approach where models become the primary way we describe, analyze, and communicate a system instead of documents. Model-based system engineering is not about drawing diagrams. It's about managing system knowledge. To really understand model-based systems engineering, it helps to be clear about what it is not. It's not just system modeling language. It's not a software tool. It's not something you install. And it's not an overnight replacement for documentation. Teams fail at model-based systems engineering when they treat it as a tooling exercise instead of a systems thinking exercise, where systems modeling language fits. This is where systems modeling language comes into the picture. Systems modeling language is a modeling language. It provides diagram types. It helps visualize structure and behavior. It supports traceability. You don't start model-based systems engineering by learning every systems modeling language diagram. When model-based systems engineering makes sense, model-based systems engineering doesn't make sense for every project. Aerospace, defense, medical devices, infrastructure, large software-hardware systems. The more interfaces, stakeholders, and lifecycle phases you have, the more value model-based systems engineering provides. If you want to actually learn model-based systems engineering step by step, we offer a free introductory module that walks through the foundations. In the next videos, I'll break down the model-based systems engineering lifecycle and the systems modeling language diagrams that actually matter.
Follow for MBSE without the complexity.